Hello everyone, welcome to Raw Online. I am Dr. Venkatakrishnan, Professor of Medicine. We are going to discuss about lung sounds and abnormal sounds which can be heard in various pathologies. What are the normal lung sounds? That is vesicular breath sounds. There can be abnormal breathing, that is bronchial breath sounds. Abnormal sounds can be wheeze, crackles, pleural rub. Others rarely seen is succussion splash, posttussive suction. We will discuss about what are the lung function and how does it do, how does it filter the sounds so that specific frequency of sounds are heard in the alveoli. Normal frequency, if you see for the normal breath sounds, is 200 to 600 Hertz. What is the normal voice sounds heard of? It is fundamental notes and partial notes. Males it is 150 Hertz, female it is 230 Hertz. What happens normally in a lung? Lung selectively filters the high frequency sounds above 200 Hertz. Low frequency sounds below 200 Hertz are conducted. High frequency sounds are filtered. So, if you see what is conducted here is the sounds which are below 200 Hertz. Above 200 Hertz are heard in the trachea and above. Various pathologies, this filtering aspect is abnormal and produces abnormal sound. That is the concept of abnormal lung sounds. If you classify as we discussed, it is breath sounds, vesicular breath sounds or bronchial breath sounds. Adventitious sounds, it can be continuous and discontinuous. Continuous is wheeze and ronchi. The difference is high pitched, this wheeze, ronchi is low pitched. Discontinuous adventitious sounds or fine crackles or coarse crackles. The last one is pleural rub, you can hear in pleurisy. What is the mechanism? What all conditions you hear? We will discuss. In auscultation, what all aspects you will look for? Apart from breath sounds, you say whether it is a normal or a abnormal breath sounds. If it is abnormal means bronchial breath sound. If it is a bronchial breath sounds, you say whether it is high pitched or low pitched. This is a basic. Then look for vocal fremitus, vocal resonance, adventitious sounds and special sounds. Normally, it could be a normal blood sound, reduced or absent. Reduced or absent can be various conditions starting from mechanical obstruction, various respiratory diseases, absent in collapse of lung. In collapse, breath sounds are absent. That is the difference from fibrosis and collapse. We can discuss. Respiratory diseases never increase the breath sounds. That is a basic concept. It never increases the breath sounds. Normal vesicular, you can draw the everybody knows is a normal vesicular breath sound. Inspiration and expiration. Bronchial breath sound. It's high pitched, low pitched or amphoric. The difference is there is an inspiratory component and an expiratory component. There is a gap between inspiration and expiration. These are basics. In this high pitched tubular bronchial breathing, that is classically heard over the trachea. What you hear over the trachea? You blow through a narrow mouth bottle, you hear a specific sound. That is high pitched or a tubular breathing. Low pitched is a low pitched bronchial breath sound, which is the expiratory phase is clearly heard, and amphoric is basically a low pitched with metallic overtones. Bronchovesicular, the concept is almost nil, but we see in airway disease with significant obstruction, that is prolonged expiratory phase. The expiratory phase is prolonged, significant airway narrowing. The patient is not on good control. Airway narrowing can cause prolonged expiratory phase, that is bronchovesicular. What is the mechanism of bronchial breathing? That's what we told. The high frequency sounds are filtered and only low frequency is conducted to the alveoli. There is normal selective filtration, attenuation is lost. So, there is conduction of high frequency sounds without any filtrations. So, high frequency sounds are heard both in inspiration and expiration. Very classically you get in consolidation. Fibrosis, atelectasis, mass lesion, there should be association of a patent bronchus or a cavity. We can get bronchial breathing. Fibrocavity, usually it is a cavernous breathing. Depends on what is the pathology. Classically you get high pitched bronchial breathing in consolidation. That is what we have discussed. This is consolidation. Above 200 Hertz trachea, below 200, above 200 Hertz because the alveolar component is not there, high frequency sounds are not filtered. There is a solid lung that produces high frequency sounds. Depends on the patent bronchus what all it is conducted. That is tubular bronchial breathing.